This is an up-close look at my upcycled necklace, front and back. I have a chain of mine to share. I styled it with this beautiful lilac shirt and tiger sweater, some jeans. And let's take a closer look. So here it is off of me. I actually just replaced my authentic Hermes necklace. I sold it back to Fashionphile so I could fund the scarf I have that's coming. And this was supposedly a button from Hermes. I bought this off Etsy. It was about $50. And I thought it was a comparable replacement. You can see it's been on the back scratched a little bit. Here's a look at the clasp, or not clasp, I can't even talk today. A look at the attachment piece. So it's been pretty well done. I'm not sure if it was an actual button, but it's a pretty close replacement. I used a sterling silver chain. I like the contrast. And I'll show you one. So this piece came in this beautiful bag, again from Etsy, in a very nice box. Oh, I'm so sorry for the fuzzball. So this company is based in Turkey, and they do customized jewelry. It came in here, and here's a close look. This is a signet ring. It is sterling silver plated with gold. Nice contrast if you're wearing black and gold. And one more look in the light. Here's how I styled this signet ring. It does scratch pretty easily, but that's okay with me. This has my grad school on there. So if you're interested, I'll link their shop below. It took about, I want to say 3-4 weeks.